Hello everyone. Today we're going to be fishing for bluegill with some bread. There's lots of bluegill here. They're pretty used to being fed bread, so hopefully we can get a couple fish today. I'm just going to tearing it up into little pieces and I'm going to toss that in. Oh look, they're already going for it. Oh! Wow, there are just so many bluegill here, all hungry for bread. They're just really good at stealing it off the hook. Got one! Alright, look at that, just a little guy. Yep. And get him off. Not too bad of a fish, just a little guy. This is the easiest bluegill fishing I've ever done. They're just coming right up to it. Oh, there's another one. Ow! Ooh. Watch out for those spines on their back. Look at that. The only problem with bread is that the bluegill can tear it off the hook really easily. So it's a little annoying in that aspect. Oh, wow! You just shot bread all over the place. Alright, another bluegill. Nice. Yeah. Alright, another bluegill. Alright. Another fish. Alright, well that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.